Backpacking trips are always full of surprises, as backpacking allows you to discover the wilderness. Sipping a hot cup of coffee and enjoying a warm meal are probably the most cherished memories of a backpacking adventure. And when it comes to cooking, the right stove makes all the difference. A high-quality backpacking stove lets you go fast, as it does not put too much weight on your back and enhances your backpacking experience. It's a worthy investment if you're a freaking backpacker. And in today's video, we've discussed the 5 best backpacking stoves on Amazon based on their key features and functionalities. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Designed with the lightest material and built to provide maximum heat, the SnowPeak LiteMax Titanium is an ultralight backpacking stove which allows you to cook a wide variety of meals in the great outdoors. It comes with an 11,200 BTU stove made from high-quality titanium, ensuring optimal toughness and durability. This backpacking stove features foldable arms, which is why this stove is barely noticeable inside your pack when you fold the arms. Furthermore, this unit can create a blazing hot temperature on your cooking pot and lets you boil 1 liter of water in less than 5 minutes. So this stove will let you forget the age-old tradition of time-consuming cooking. Finally, it weighs only 1.9 ounces, so carrying this backpacking stove with you is not a problem at all. All in all, this SnowPeak LiteMax Titanium is exceptionally light, fuel efficient, and produces high flames so that you can enjoy a warm meal on your backpacking adventure. Compact, efficient, and easy to operate. The SOTO WindMaster Stove with 4 flex is a fantastic backpacking stove that lets you cook foods even in the windiest environment. This 11,000 BTU stove can generate a high flame and boil 2 cups of water in under 2.5 minutes in gale force winds. This type of wind resistance is possible because of its concave design of the stove's head, which prevents winds from turning off the flame. And to help you cook in a wide variety of pots, this backpacking burner features a 4-flex pot support. And unlike many stoves, its micro-regulator system allows you to control the fuel pressure according to your preference. Lastly, this stove is exceptionally lightweight, weighing only around 3.1 ounces, promoting convenient carry. So if you plan to go backpacking in a windy area and need a high-quality burner offering excellent wind protection, then this SOTO WindMaster Stove with 4-flex has got you covered. Ensuring incremental heat adjustment and offering uncompromised cooking performance, this Jetboil Sumo can help you boil water or simmer pasta or other delicacies for a large group of backpackers in the backcountry. It comes with a 1.8-liter flux ring cooking cup, which lets you cook meals for a group of up to 4 persons. Besides, it features a 6,000 BTU burner stove with proprietary regulator technology, which offers an unbeatable simmer control. With the help of a 4-ounce or 8-ounce fuel canister, it can boil 1 liter of water in a little more than 4 minutes, and it can perform quite well even in cold weather thanks to its push-button igniter. Despite featuring a considerable cooking capacity, the entire system weighs only 16 ounces. That means carrying and maneuvering it anywhere becomes a hassle-free job. Overall, this Jetboil Sumo produces high heat using minimal fuel and offers an excellent cooking performance so that you can prepare a big meal for your crew in the wilderness. It is time to move forward. Second best pick is the GSI Outdoors Pinnacle. This stove is compact, lightweight, and is specially designed for 4-season usage. It is made of heavy-duty stainless steel that ensures ultimate durability and longevity. Plus, this backpacking stove has a 9820 BTU rating per H2 burner, which allows it to cook fast with less fuel. For instance, you can boil 500 milliliters of water in a little less than 4 minutes. This burner contains serrated pot supports arms which keep your cooktop stable and aid in easy simmering and sauteing. Another enticing feature of this 5.8 ounces stove is that it's got a folding design, which you'll find convenient while carrying. All said, with the folding design, lightweight construction, and high output, the GSI Outdoors Pinnacle can be your faithful backpacking companion, which will help you cook efficiently regardless of the situation. So your wait ends here. Now we'll reveal our overall best option of this backpacking stove list, and that is the MSR Pocketrocket 2 stove kit, which boasts all the premium quality features in a reasonable budget. This stove is made from stainless steel, so it'll hold up to several backpacking seasons without compromising its quality. Besides, it's got foldable pot arms to support various cooking utensils. Not only that, but this stove also features an aluminum pot, allowing you to boil 1 liter of water within 3.5 minutes. And if you need to boil more water, hang on, this one has an additional bowl for you. The last surprising feature is the entire kit weighs only 9.1 ounces, so it'll not cause any troubles while carrying. In summary, this MSR Pocketrocket 2 stove kit has everything to make your cooking efficient and more manageable, and will take your backpacking experience to a whole new level. So that was all about the 5 best backpacking stoves on Amazon just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.